Hello students, welcome back to chapter 3 Cultural Heritage of India, Sculpture and Architecture. Today this is the last class of the chapter 3. Okay, so these are the last topics which are going to be covered in this video. So first of all we will see architecture of Gujarat. So in Gujarat there are various architecture including temples of various religion, mosques, viharas of Buddha, mutts are there, stupas, chaityas, cave temples are also there. Even different types of buildings are found in Gujarat, like royal palace, forts, domes, gates, Kirti Stambha, that is a tower of fame. Next is inn, that is sanctuary, upsarya, visamas, verandas, skylight, that is jharako, skylight, which is a like a on the ceiling there is a square shape, so during the daytime the sunlight comes from that ceiling, so light is not necessary in that room. During the daytime the sun rays are coming at the top of that ceiling. Then watch towers are there, arches, wells, step wells, lakes and ponds. Even figures of animals and birds are found here. So if we talk about the temples in Gujarat, so for the temples, there are temples of Bhadrakali, next Gita Mandir, Veda Temple, Jagannath Temple, Ranchhodji Temple, which is in Dakor, Sun Temple of Modera, Hatkeshwar Mahadev Temple, Vadnagar, which is in Vadnagar, Ambaji Temple, Shamlaji Temple, Somnath Temple, Jagat Temple, which is in Dwarika, Bahucharji Temple, Mahakali Temple. These are all the names in architecture of Gujarat. First of all, we will see which are the temples in Gujarat, famous temples in Gujarat, like Swaminarayan Temple, Brahmaji Temple, then Kodiyar Mataji Temple, Mud of Ashapura, that is in Kutch. So these all are the famous temples in Gujarat. Next, which are the mosques in Gujarat? So that is Jama Masjid near Teen Darwaja. It is in Ahmedabad. This is one of the mosques. Sultan Ahmad Shah built this mosque when in 1424 AD. It has 260 pillars and 15 domes. We are talking about the Jama Masjid, which is in near Teen Darwaza. Other structures include like Siddhi Sayyadni Grill, which is having very minute carving, Rosa of Sarkech, that is a mosque, Shaking Tower, Mosque of Queen Sipri, next, which is also known as the Mosque of Nagina. Next, Jama Masjid, which is at Champanya. So there are the certain mosques in Gujarat. Next, Jain Temple. Which are the Jain temples in Gujarat? The Jain Temple of Hatid Singh, Kumbharajya, Sankheshwara, Siddhgiri, Shatrunjangiri, Palithana. They are the certain Jain temples of Gujarat. Next, which are the step wells of Gujarat? Step wells of Gujarat. Step wells like step well of Adalaj. Next, step well of Dadahari. We in exam also you should write down the name only. No short note is asked. Only you should know which are the step wells in Gujarat. Rani Ni Vav of Patan, Hira Bhagol of Dhaboi. They are the certain step wells. That are the step well is known as a Vav. Apart from this, we can see various architectures are there like Fort of Bhadra, Teen Darwaja, Nagina Wadi, Kankaria Lake, Rudra Mahalay, Shastralingan Lake, Chori of Shamlaji, that is a temple of Shamlaji, Samadhi of Tana is there, who are the great singers, Kirti Toran, it is in Vadnagar, Munsar Lake, it is in Viramgam, Malav Lake, it is in Dholka. These were the certain other architectures of Gujarat. Next, uh, this is a linear sketch of mosque. Linear sketch of mosque. So one by one we will know. Galiara. Galiara means entrance. We can see the entrance of the mosque. As Gopuram was the entrance of temple, like that only Galiara is a entrance for the mosque. Next, Qibla. Qibla, it is a part of architecture of a mosque. It is a part of a mosque or hall where the namaz is performed. So Qibla means a hall where namaz is performed. And it is is always in the direction of Kaaba. Kaaba, which is in Mecca. Where the Kaaba is there, which is in Mecca, it is always in that direction of India, which is located in Saudi Arabia. The Kaaba, which is located in Saudi Arabia, is that direction only the namaz is performed. Next, Livan. It means a room in which mosque are, a room where with the pillars. Next, Maksura. Maksura means end of the mosque. Entrance of the mosque, Galiara, and end of the mosque, Maksura. Livan means it is a room with pillars. Mehrab. This is the main part of the mosque where we have to where the people enter. That is a of human height, and it is in the correct direction of Mecca. That is how the Qibla was there. In the same direction, the Mecca is there. And India, it is generally in the western part because the Mecca is in the west part of India. Last one is Sahan. Sahan is a place where the followers of Islam, they come together. As we can see the mandap in temple, like that only Sahan in mosque. So in this way the chapter is completed. The chapter is, now I'm going to give the certain questions homework in a PDF form. You have to submit. I will tell the date when you have to submit that homework, and it is necessary to submit the homework.